iPhone 15 Pro, specs and performance. Even before the iPhone 14's launch, analysts were predicting Apple would use different processors for its various phones going forward, which is exactly what happened. That means the iPhone 15 Pro is likely to get a new chipset when it launches. It's safe to assume that this will be the A17 Bionic. A report from TrendForce tips the iPhone 15 Pro lineup to feature this rumored A17 Bionic, while the iPhone 15 and iPhone 15 Plus would keep the older A16 Bionic chipset. The A17 Bionic is rumored to be manufactured using a 3nm process, which would theoretically improve both performance and power efficiency. So while the A16 Bionic is very impressive, its successor might be even more so. In fact, TSMC, which makes Apple's silicon and has begun mass production on its new 3nm chip, predicts a 35% improvement to power efficiency with the 3nm process. That bodes well for iPhone 15 Pro battery life. Allegedly leaked benchmarks for the iPhone 15 Pro show off how much faster the A17 Bionic chip could be over its predecessor, as well as the chipsets of the best Android phones. In the single-core test, the iPhone 15 Pro apparently hit 2,317 and delivered a multi-core score of 6,750 in Geekbench 5. These scores resoundingly beat those served up by the mighty Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, hinting at the next Pro iPhones being powerhouses. Yet another TrendForce report claims that Apple plans to bump the capacity and specification of the iPhone 15's RAM. For the Pro models, that could equal 8 GB total. For the iPhone 15, that might mean LPDDR5. We've long heard that Apple wants to build its own wireless modems for the iPhone to break away from Qualcomm. The Cupertino phone maker even bought Intel's floundering modem business in 2019, reportedly with an eye toward making its own modems. That may be the ultimate goal, but Qualcomm has said it expects to supply the vast majority of Apple's modems in 2023. Instead, the chipmaker now claims the iPhone 16 is likely to feature an Apple-built modem. Put all that together, and we think the iPhone 15 Pro will use Qualcomm's X70 modem. iPhone 15 Pro, battery life. We haven't heard anything about the battery sizes yet for the iPhone 15 Pro and iPhone 15 Pro Max. The iPhone 14 Pro has a 3,200 mAh battery, which is on the small side compared to Android phones, and the iPhone 14 Pro Max has a 4,323 mAh battery. By comparison, the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra packs a 5,000 mAh battery, but capacity is only one part of the equation. The iPhone 14 Pro lasted 10 hours and 13 minutes on our web surfing battery test, while the Pro Max endured for a much longer 1339. So only the Pro Max made it on our best phone battery life list. Even without bigger batteries, the iPhone 15 Pro and Pro Max should last longer on a charge, thanks to the rumored new 3nm A17 Bionic chip. Plus, there's a report from Economic Daily News, opens in new tab, that claims that Apple will use a more efficient display driver chip, opens in new tab, via a 28nm chip, down from 40nm. iPhone 15 Pro, software. When the iPhone 15 Pro arrives, it's all but certain to be running iOS 17, a new version of Apple's iPhone software. As before, expect a preview at June's Worldwide Developer Conference that shows off what's new in the software update. A public beta will take place during the summer, leading up to a full release in the fall. Details about iOS 17 changes are sparse at the moment. The biggest rumors suggest an overhaul to iMessage as Apple also opens up the iPhone to third-party app stores. It's also possible that iOS May 17 not be as substantial as recent iOS updates, with Apple looking to get its VR/AR headset off the ground this year. That project is reportedly requiring a lot of resources that would usually go toward an iOS update. iPhone 15 Pro, Outlook. September 2023 is still a long ways off yet, so expect many more iPhone 15 Pro rumors and leaks to spring up. We might hear about this supposed differentiation between the iPhone 15 Pro and iPhone 15 Ultra, if there is one, and we sincerely hope there isn't. The Pro models are solid devices, especially the iPhone 14 Pro. But let's hope we continue to see meaningful upgrades to the small phone that packs a punch. But there's more we'd like to see, such as 256 GB base storage and faster charging speeds to start. What's more, Apple needs to address battery life for the iPhone 15 Pro, which took a major downturn in 2022. Keep it locked here as we learn more about the iPhone 15 Pro in the coming months. Tesla Phone Pi 2023, 5G. Esla Phone Pi 2023, 5G official price, release date and rumors. As a result, customers are expecting the release of the Tesla brand new smartphone. That is why we are discussing the Tesla Model Pi Phone 2023, a new upcoming smartphone of the Tesla brand. In the world of smartphones, the Tesla Pi phone stands out. The Tesla Pi phone is going to change the way people think about phones. Surprisingly, this phone features several flaws that we have never seen before in the history of smartphones. This phone has a touch of innovation that will be delivered through all of its modern features. Tesla phone display. First, we'll look at the display. The 7.0 Super AMOLED full touchscreen display of the Tesla Model Pi Phone 2023 is protected by Gorilla Glass. This smartphone uses 1440 by 3200 pixel display resolutions, which is great news for Tesla Model Pi Phone 2023 fans. This phone also uses always-on display in the display area, which is quite useful for a busy user. Tesla phone camera. After briefly detailing the display, we will now discuss another major element of this unique phone, the camera. As the back camera, Tesla used a quad 250MP primary lens plus 24MP ultrawide lens plus 16MP wide sensor plus 5MP depth sensor. It has a 108MP camera for selfies. Zeiss optics, LED flash, panorama, and HDR are among the new camera features. Using front cameras, you can now simply capture a photo or selfie. Tesla phone battery capacity. A good smartphone's battery is a vital part. For its long-term service, the Tesla Model Pi Phone 2023 depend on a 6,950 mAh polymer-type non-removable battery. You don't need to charge for at least 40 hours after charging once. A popular special feature for a flagship gadget is fast battery charging. As a result, This phone has 120W quick battery charging capabilities. Tesla phone memory. Memory refers to RAM, ROM, internal storage, and an additional micro SD card. The Tesla Model Pi Phone 2023 will include 16 GB of RAM and 2 storage options, 256 GB and 512 GB. Customers can simply expand the internal storage by inserting a micro SD card with up to 1 TB. Tesla Phone Operating System. This smartphone added Android 13 to the operating system section, which is automatically upgraded to Android 14. This smartphone is extremely quick according to the powerful Qualcomm Snapdragon 5G mobile platform. The network technology used by this Tesla smartphone was GSM/CDMA/HSPA/EVDO/LTE/5G. Tesla phone sensor. The sensor is an essential component of a great smartphone. So, Tesla's future smartphone will feature the most advanced sensor technology, including fingerprint, under the display, ultrasonic, accelerometer, gyro, proximity, compass, and barometer.